Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Hassan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple, quick recipe. I had an excess amount of sour mango and sour plum, so I'm going to be showing you guys how Cambodians eat this with a dipping sauce, which is called Kapeek. It consists of 4 ingredients, which is shrimp paste, fish sauce, sugar, and chili flakes. It's super simple, very delicious. So yeah, check it out. All right, so all you need is 1 tablespoon shrimp paste, half a tablespoon fish sauce, go ahead and mush that shrimp paste in there and mix it with the fish sauce. Next, half a tablespoon sugar. Combine all those ingredients together. And finally, chili flakes. Now, for chili flakes, depending on how much spice you can handle is how much you want to add to this. I like my dipping sauce really spicy, so I add a little more. I have about, I would say, maybe half a tablespoon of chili flakes in here. But again, just reduce or add more depending on how spicy you'd like it. So yeah. If it's too thick, add a little more fish sauce. If it's too much fish sauce, add a little more shrimp paste. You kind of want a little thick consistency. Like so. And that's pretty much it. We're done. So again, this is called Kapeek, which is a Cambodian dipping sauce for sour fruit. That's pretty much it. Again, it's super simple, very easy, very delicious. Again, it's called Kapeek, which is a Cambodian dipping sauce. You can eat it with any kind of sour fruit. Sour plums, sour apples, sour mango. We have these plums right here, which are actually supposed to be purple, but I guess during the pollination, it kind of crossbred and turned into a green plum, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's give it a try. See how it tastes. Delicious. Could use a little more chili flakes. Again, I like it spicy. I love spicy. Spicy is the best flavor I try to make everything spicy if I could. But yeah, until next time guys, hope you enjoy. Peace.